Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to close your BMW X5 trunk from inside. To begin, locate the trunk close button, which is usually found on the driver's side door panel. This button often has a diagram of a car with an open trunk. To close the trunk, simply pull up and hold this button until the tailgate fully latches. Releasing the button prematurely will stop the closing motion, so keep it held for a complete closure. You can also close your BMW X5 trunk using the key fob, a convenient option when you're outside the vehicle. Make sure your key fob is within range of your X5. Then, press and hold the trunk button on the key fob. You'll need to keep the button pressed until the trunk fully closes. If you release it too soon, the closing action will stop, requiring you to press and hold again. When closing your BMW X5 trunk, always prioritize safety. Before initiating the close, visually check that there are no obstructions in the trunk's path to prevent damage or injury. Listen for the normal sounds of the closing mechanism. Any unusual noises might indicate an issue. If the trunk isn't closing properly, a simple reset by locking and unlocking the car can sometimes help. For persistent problems, refer to your owner's manual or contact a service professional. For advanced troubleshooting, check your iDrive display for any error messages related to the tailgate. Sometimes, a minor electronic glitch can prevent proper operation, which a quick system reset, like locking and unlocking the car, might resolve. If issues persist, it could indicate a problem with the latch, motor, or wiring, requiring professional attention. And for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.